Everyone was trying SKALA hair products, so yes, naturally I had to try SKALA hair products myself. My mom bought it for me for $6 at like a pharmacy. I did check on Amazon, they do have this. They have several items. I just have tried this one so far. So you could use this both ways, a conditioner or as a leave-in. This is me using it as a conditioner. By the way, whenever I use a conditioner, I always put a hat on. I just feel like it just helps. Love the results. I meant to try it as a leave-in, forgot. So here we are 5 months later. Better late than ever. My hair has grown out again. Before adding any product, make sure you soak your hair. It has to be soaking wet. Here I am, I sprayed my water. I grabbed some, but then I'm like, oh sugar, did I like grab too much? Next time I would use a little bit less. I have pretty fine hair. How I use the product, every product actually, I rake it in, then I scrunch, and then I use my hairbrush. This is a Tangle Teaser, by the way. And I am shocked. I'm one of those people that like, my face will always tell you how I really feel, so I can't lie. This is me literally like shocked. I loved it. I'm using my brush. I'm scrunching. A whole lot of scrunching when you're doing curly hair. I only do this routine once a week. I do not do my hair more than once. For the front pieces, I use my brush forward like this. See that juiciness in those curls? Yes, honey. That's what you want. Make sure it is soaking wet. For extra volume, mousse in your roots, girl. Every single time, mousse in your roots. Once you're done, take out all that water using a microfiber towel or a shirt. That's usually what I do. Nobody's perfect over here. Anywho, love the results. I use my claw clip for extra volume. I love volume. We know this. And this is the result. I love the volume. Like, my hair even looks shorter here. Here you can see the whole thing is actually really pretty. Think I might prefer it as a leave-in. Conditioner was really good too. Again, it was a 5-month difference. You let me know what you think. My curls are different in the bottom of my hair. Their texture is different. The definition is definitely here. I'm gonna show you day 2. Still defined, but let me know what you think. As always, thank you for watching.